Yes, substitution method, finding the integration of the some particular functions by using the substitution method. Integration of the f of x into g of x into g dash of x dx. If the means any function is in this form, so g of x is equals to t consider. That is nothing but here you can observe that very simple thing is that if any function is in this form, means function, this is completely a function here, and inside the function you are going to have a function and its derivative also side में. In case derivative nahi hai, then we need to convert that whatever it may be present the derivative form. Through the example easily you can understand. So if it is in that form, so g of x ko t consider karo, and I'm finding the differentiating both sides with respect to x of this one, what you are going to get, g dash of x dx is equals to dt. So ye g dash of x dx को dt हो जाएगा and इधर g of x पे t हो जाएगा. So completely the function is going to converted into f of t dt. So we are doing the derivative with respect to t. So it is going to convert it to f of t dt का convert हो जाएगा like this, because when we have considered the g of x is equals to t considered, g of x is equals to t considered. So let us see the one example here. This example, ये देखो इतना complicated है. When you see this one, 1 plus x into e power x by cos square x e power x. So whenever you consider that here, observe properly that given function. Given function observe. Denominator में cos square something is there. डिनोमिनेटर में cos स्क्वायर है, वो पूरा ऊपर लेकर जाओ, secant स्क्वायर हो जाएगा, secant स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. बट x e पावर x इज देयर. x e पावर x का डेरिवेटिव क्या है? x e पावर x का डेरिवेटिव ये न्यूमरेटर वाला हो. सो वी नीड टू कंसीडर x e पावर x इक्वल टू t. कैन एनीवन टेल मी द डायरेक्ट व्हाट इज द आंसर फॉर दिस? secant स्क्वायर x है, ये x मान लो, ये पूरा t मान लो, तो ये ऊपर गया तो secant स्क्वायर t हो जाएगा. ये इसका डेरिवेटिव है, ये न्यूमरेटर पार्ट, इसका डेरिवेटिव है न्यूमरेटर में क्या है वो हो जाएगा. तो secant स्क्वायर x e पावर x हो जाएगा, साइड में डेरिवेटिव है. देन secant स्क्वायर x का डेरिवेटिव क्या है? tan स्क्वायर, tan. So tan x e पावर x plus c will be the answer for that. See that, let us see. We have to consider x e power x equal to t. सिचुएशन को ऑब्जर्व करना है, ऑब्जर्व करके हम लोग डिसाइड करना है. जस्ट ऑब्जर्वेशन इज मोर इंपॉर्टेंट हियर. गिवन फंक्शन, हाउ डू वी सब्स्टिट्यूट, व्हाट वी नीड टू सब्स्टिट्यूट, दैट इज ऑब्जर्वेशन ओनली. थ्रू द ऑब्जर्वेशन, डिफरेंशिएटिंग विद रेस्पेक्ट टू x ऑन बोथ साइड्स, वी आर गोइंग टू गेट, ये देखो डिफरेंशिएट कर रही है तो न्यूमरेटर वाला पार्ट आया dt. So what do you get substituting these values there? ऊपर देखो, येलो कलर में हाईलाइट हो गया. The yellow color will be replaced with the dt. What do you get? The same function, integration of dt by cos square t. Integration of dt by cos square t. ये cos square t न्यूमरेटर में लेके जाओ. What do you get? secant square t. So integration of secant square t dt. secant square t dt का इंटीग्रेशन है tan t plus c. c तो आ जाएगा. Now t you replace whatever you have considered. So tan x e power x plus c. समझ में आया ना? Like this is the substitution method can be done. Means we are going to have the derivative of the given function. ये second one you see that here. ये problem देखो. Derivative of the function should be there in that function, include होना है उसमें. If you observe properly, देखो x square है, x square का derivative क्या है? What is x square derivative? But 2x ना ऐड दे, तो what to do? 2 multiply करो, divide करो. हमको इधर 2 चाहिए. हाँ 1/2 ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं बिकॉज एक्स स्क्वायर को t कंसिडर करो इन दिस प्रॉब्लम. यू कंसिडर एक्स स्क्वायर एज ए टी. 2x dx इज इक्वल्स टू dt आ जाएगा. x dx इज इक्वल्स टू dt by 2 आ जाएगा. x dx is equals to dt by 2 आया. तो because in the numerator we are going to have the x dx differentiating 2x dx. x dx equal to 1 by 2 dt. तो ये x dx का प्लेस में 1 by 2 dt इधर sin t. तो 1 by sin t dt. So what you are going to get? What is the integration of the this cosec t? Cosec t का integration what is cosec t integration? Do we have? हाँ yes, this we are going to do it further means upcoming. अभी नहीं है ऐसा वाला प्रॉब्लम तो नॉर्मली नहीं आएगा. ये क्या है ना cosec t का डायरेक्ट डिफरेंशिएशन अभी तक हम लोग सिखाना है. We are going to get the cosec t का and secant t का डिफरेंशिएशन आएगा. Secant t differentiation means secant x differentiation is logarithm of secant x plus tan x. log of secant x plus tan x होगा. cosec x का differentiation log of cosec x minus cot x in the modulus. So this we are going to prove it by using the other one more methods, different methods of finding the integration is there. There you are going to learn it. Okay? Did you get my point here? So you may not get the substitution method. Means all method is what is the substitution method, you need to know that. So that's why here it is given to you. This is the way. So here we are going to get a is equals to secant x t is replaced with the x square. T is replaced with the x square. And one more problem you see here. X cube by 1 plus x to the power of 4. 1 plus x to the power of 4 differentiation 4x cube. ऊपर x cube है ना. Like that होगा पक्का होगा problems. Such type of the problems में substitution use करना है. Here what to do we consider? 1 plus x to the power of 4 equal to t consider करो. 1 plus x to the power of 4 equal to t consider करो and differentiation 4x cube dx is equals to dt आ जाएगा. From that x cube dx is equals to dt by 4 आ जाएगा. So dt by 4. So what you are going to get? 1 by t dt by 4. 1 by t. So what is the differentiation of integration of the 1 by t? Log. So log of इसका आंसर क्या होगा? 1 by 4 into logarithm of 1 plus x to the power of 4 plus c. 1 by 4 into because 4 1 by 4 में आ जाएगा. ये 1 by 4 है. The integration of the 1 by t is equals to logarithm of t. Integration of 1 by t is equals to logarithm of t. So 1 by 4 logarithm of 1 plus x to the power of 4. But in the modulus 1 by x का differentiation yes. 1 by t 1 by So trigonometric functions. Integrals of the some trigonometric functions means we can find out that we are having a trigonometric functions means secant square x is there. I told you na secant square x. Integration of secant square x is tan x. But integration of tan x we are not having. So that can be derived here. integration of tan x. Using the substitution method only, we are going to derive the integration of tan x. Tan x से derive करते हैं. Tan x is equals to sin x by cos x है. इसका डेरिवेटिव ये है. इसका डेरिवेटिव ये है ना. तो जब cos x से t कंसीडर कर लो, then we are going to get, on differentiating both sides, we are going to get minus sin x dx equal to dt. Sin x dx equal to minus dt. So minus dt by t. Minus 1 by t we are going to get. Minus 1 by t. So minus log t. So what we are going to get here, which is equals to t value cos x है. तो ये minus है ना. This can be taken as a power here. As we are having here. This logic you need to here, this formula you need to. Log x to the power of a is equals to क्या? A log x, isn't it? Log here what you are going to get, minus इधर है cos x. Okay, ये -1 ऊपर न्यूमरेटर में है. Then what you are going to get here, logarithm of 1 by cos x हो जाएगा. चला जी. 1 by cos x is nothing but secant x. So integration of tan x is equals to log secant x. Integration of tan x is equals to log secant x बोल सकते हैं, otherwise log 1 by cos x भी बोल सकते हैं. You can write, or you can write it as a minus log. In the same way, cosec x, sorry, cot x. Same way, cot x का integration. So these are all actually not using the anti-derivatives. We are deriving using the substitution method. ये substitution method ही है. cos x by sin x है. sin x denominator है. इसका derivative numerator में है. Directly log sin x हो जाएगा. Because 1 by t होगा. Logarithm of modulus sin x. So we are going to get cos x dx equal to dt. dt by t हो जाएगा. Are you able to understand? Or any confusion is there? Okay. So now here we are going to have the logarithm of t. The t place में sin x लिखना है. So logarithm of sin x plus c. Log modulus log sin x plus c. So integration of cot x is equals to log sin x plus c. Okay. Next, in the same way, secant x. Integration of the secant x also we can find out. Integration of the cosec x also already, which is came here before problem. एक problem में आया है cosec x का. Secant x के लिए we need to multiply in the numerator and denominator sec x plus tan x multiply in the numerator and denominator. The numerator will be converted as a secant square x plus secant x tan x. इसका डेरिवेटिव क्या है? इसका डेरिवेटिव क्या है? sec x tan x. इसका डेरिवेटिव क्या है? sec square x. और न्यूमरेटर में वही आया ना. ये दोनों मल्टीप्लाई करो sec square x, इसका डेरिवेटिव. ये दोनों मल्टीप्लाई करो sec x tan x, इसका डेरिवेटिव. तो व्हाट इज आंसर हियर? ये पूरा t हो जाएगा. इसका डेरिवेटिव ये है. That's why secant x plus tan x is multiplied. Secant x plus tan x is multiplied. That's what I said to you. Not only here, in any problem, if you are identifying that denominator का derivative numerator में लेके आने के लिए try करना है. Substitution method is main thing is that. ये इधर तो directly नहीं है. Secant x को directly रहे. That's why secant x plus tan x multiplied in the numerator and denominator. So the denominator derivative become as a numerator. So that is the logic behind it. And secant x tan x differentiate करो on both sides. We are going to get secant square x plus secant x plus tan x. ये है. ये numerator में है. इधर है. इधर. This is replaced with the dt. Yellow color में whatever it is highlighted. Okay. And dt by t. dt by t is nothing but 1 by t. 1 by t का integration क्या है? Logarithm of t. t का place में secant x plus tan x है. So log secant x plus tan x होता है. Is it clear to you? So secant x. In the same way cosec x. Cosec x के लिए cosec x minus cot x multiply करना है numerator and denominator. Integration of the cosec x. So what to be multiplied here? Cosec x minus cot x multiply कर. Cosec x का differentiation I'm differentiating here. Denominator value is considered as a t and minus cosec x cot x and plus cosec square x. ये है numerator में. That is equals to dtr. So dt by t. dt by tr. T is equals to cosec x minus cot x. T is equals to cosec x minus cot x. So replace that one t. Logarithm of cosec x minus cot x. So 4 trigonometric functions integrations we have learned here now with the using the substitution method. Directly we are not having. So what are that here? Integration of tan x is logarithm of secant x. Integration of cot x is logarithm of sin x. These are not using the antiderivative. Antiderivatives नहीं है. Means derivatives पर reverse process से नहीं है. ये substitution method use करके use करते. So integration of secant x dx is equals to logarithm of secant x plus tan x है. Integration of cosec x is equals to logarithm of cosec x minus cot x plus t. Okay. Trigonometric identities use करके we are going to have the some more integrations that